Yeah, I hear them coming. Let's see how they do through this puddle. It'll be in a second. I gotta go through the puddle, come over here, go up and around the turn. So we'll see how they do. Then I'll put it on helmet cam. I have mounted my helmet cam holder up there. Here goes Max through the puddle. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, shoot. Max's back tire's jacked up. Max! Here, Max! Max, come back!